Hi, I'm Dax, an account manager here at Prosperon Networks. Today I'm very excited to invite you to our upcoming event, the SolarWinds Application Performance Management Workshop, that we will be hosting in London on Friday the 6th of March. In this workshop, we'll be teaching you how to accelerate application performance with continuous monitoring and end-to-end application visibility. Attend this workshop to learn how to gain deep visibility across all application layers. Visualize the relationship between applications and underlying IT infrastructure layers using intuitive application dependency mapping. Discover how to correlate cross-stack application performance metrics. Accelerate application resolution times by comparing network, systems, virtualization, database, and storage data on a single timeline. Identify code-level application performance problems. Quickly identify the root cause of performance issues by pinpointing code-level problems affecting application performance. Finally, quickly eliminate database-related application issues. Identify the metrics required to understand database health and how databases can impact the performance of your applications. We will also be hosting a free training session at the end of the workshop to teach you how to plan and design dashboards within SolarWinds to better monitor your critical applications. This is a classroom-style workshop which will be led by our two senior SolarWinds engineers, Mark Roberts, our Technical Director and SolarWinds MVP, and Raul Gonzalez, our Technical Manager. I hope you can join us on Friday the 6th of March at the Strand Palace Hotel in London. Thank you.